High above the beaches of Jaco, hidden within the rainforest, sits one of Costa Rica's most recognizable abandoned landmarks. Known today as El Miro, this unfinished mansion overlooks some of the most beautiful coastlines in the country. But this wasn't supposed to become a ruin. It was supposed to become a luxury destination overlooking paradise. Instead, construction suddenly stopped, nature moved on, and one of Costa Rica's most ambitious projects became frozen in time. Today, we're hiking into the jungle to uncover the story behind it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Adventure Bound. Today we're going to be exploring El Miro, which is an abandoned mansion hidden behind the hills of Jaco in Costa Rica. Getting there requires a hike through the jungle, but at the top is one of the most famous abandoned locations in the country, so let's go check it out. The hike begins near the southern end of Jacó Beach. At first, it doesn't even seem like you're heading towards anything special, just another trail disappearing into the rainforest. But hidden above these trees is a structure that becomes part of a local legend. The tropical heat makes this climb feel a lot longer than it actually is. With every turn, the sound of the town behind slowly fades away, and the jungle is taking over. For years, hikers, explorers, and curious travelers have all followed the same path in search of one of Costa Rica's most unusual abandoned places. And unlike many abandoned locations around the world, El Miro wasn't abandoned after decades of operation. It never had the chance. The story begins in the 1990s, when a wealthy Costa Rican businessman named Claudio Bonilla envisioned a luxury property overlooking the Pacific Ocean. The location was perfect, perched high above the coastline, surrounded by rainforest, and offering panoramic views stretching for miles. The goal was to create an upscale retreat overlooking one of Costa Rica's fastest-growing beach destinations, Jaco. Construction began. Concrete structures rose from the hillside, and the vision slowly started becoming a reality. But before the project could ever be completed, everything changed. After climbing through the heat and humidity, the structure finally appears through the jungle. And even unfinished, it's impressive. Massive staircases, large terraces, towering concrete walls. Every part of the design was built around maximizing the incredible view below. This place was way bigger than I expected. From the photos, it's really hard to get a good scale of it, but standing here, you can really see how ambitious this project was. Construction continued through the 1990s, but according to local accounts, tragedy struck before the project could be completed. Claudio Bonilla died in a plane crash. Without the project's owner and driving force, construction came to a sudden stop. The mansion was never finished, and for decades, it's remained exactly how you see it today, frozen in time, above the Pacific Ocean. Exploring El Miro today feels like walking through an unfinished stream. You can still see the vision. Open terraces, large gathering spaces, elevated viewpoints overlooking the beautiful coastline below. Every section of the structure was designed to take advantage of the incredible scenery surrounding it. But after decades of abandonment, nature slowly began reclaiming it. Roots pushed through cracks in the concrete, trees growing where walls were once supposed to stand. Vines wrapped around staircases that were once intended to welcome guests. The tropical environment doesn't waste time, and year after year, the rainforest continues taking back what the humans left behind. One of the most fascinating things about El Miro is that it never experienced a decline. It never opened, it never welcomed visitors. It never became what it was intended to be. Its story stopped halfway through construction. Yet somehow, that unfinished story is exactly what makes this place so interesting. Over time, artists began transforming this abandoned structure. Today, nearly every wall is covered in colorful murals, graffiti, and artwork. What was once a construction project has evolved into something entirely different, an open-air gallery hidden in the jungle. The contrast is incredible. Luxury and decay, concrete and rainforest, human ambition and nature's persistence. Standing here, it's impossible not to imagine what this place could have become. Luxury rooms, expansive terraces, guests watching sunsets over the Pacific Ocean. That was the dream. And while the project never became reality, the view remains exactly as it was intended. Absolutely incredible. Later that day, I headed down to Jacó Beach. Looking back towards the hills, Miro almost disappears into the rainforest. If you didn't know exactly where to look, you'd probably never notice it. Hidden among the trees, the structure blends in with the landscape that has slowly reclaimed it over the years. From down there, it's easy to see how nature has transformed the mansion. What was once intended to dominate the hillside now feels like part of it. Most people walking this beach have no idea that an abandoned mansion sits high above them, quietly watching over the coastline. Places like Miro remind us that even the biggest plans don't always become reality. A project designed for luxury became a destination for explorers. A private dream became a public landmark. And an unfinished mansion became one of Costa Rica's most fascinating abandoned places. Today, visitors from around the world make the climb to see the ruins for themselves. Not because of what Miro became, but because of what it was supposed to be. The reason the project was built here becomes obvious the moment you reach the upper level. Just look at this view. Below sits Jacó Beach, one of Costa Rica's most famous coastline destinations. Beyond that lies the Pacific Ocean, stretching all the way into the horizon. It's easy to understand why people would have chosen this exact spot. Even unfinished, Miro still offers one of the best viewpoints in the entire area. If you guys enjoyed this adventure, make sure to hit that like button and to subscribe for more explorations from all around the world. We got new videos every Friday and every Sunday, so make sure to stay tuned for the next one. We have more videos exploring abandoned spots in Costa Rica, so on the left side I'll pop up my favorite one. This was exploring the Jaco Resort. So if you haven't seen that yet, go ahead and watch that one because that one was even crazier than this. And we also just started channel memberships. So if you guys want to help support the explorations and the travel, that's one of the best ways to do it, and I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.